Uh-oh. That's not good. Damn. The homies GTR. Don't get pulled over, bro. And an Evo. Sheesh. You know, obviously we're just doing flex fuel real quick for our fuel efficient cars. It's not to make us go fast, I promise. Guys, I just washed it and it's already dirty. This car is impossible to keep clean. But what's up, guys? Thanks for watching another video. We just got some gas in the GTR again. I put gas in 4 times in the past 4 days. So every single day I filled up this car. Can you guys believe that? That's how much I've been driving, bro. We got all the homies in the GTR. I don't know how we fit everybody in here, but we did. Crazy. GTR sounds so sick. Bro, these exhaust sounded so sick. That shit sounds nice, bro.
Like you're saying, that loud.
Yeah, I don't think my shit's that loud either. That shit sounds nice. That shit's loud. Yeah. It's loud, bro. The blow-up valve sounds crazy, dude. I'm about to order some right now. I need them. Who would win, bro? Shit looks low-key faster. Alright, guys, we made it. I guess it's like a mansion place that we're meeting at. A big-ass house. And then we're all going on a big old cruise. So it should be pretty sick. I heard there's a bunch of supercars coming. What if the gate closes on me, bro?
Somebody's going to me.
What if the gate closes on me? Alright, we made it. Damn, big ass mansion, bro. I don't know whose house, but this is where we're meeting. And there's a bunch of sick ass cars. Look, GT3 RS probably. Corvette, GTR. Another GTR. Bro, there's gonna be so many GTRs. Another GTR. Sheesh. Oh my god, bro. That shit is hard.
A lot of people already.
Is it? We got a Supra. We got Kicks' GTR. Damn. That shit's hard. We got a sick ass Porsche over there. A Lambo? Snooge's Lambo. That shit's sick. Damn. Hard. Guys, tell me there's not bullet holes in this windshield. I'm pretty sure there's bullet holes, bro. Oh my. That's not good. Bro, that's legit bullet holes. That sucks. Damn, bro, this is gonna be crazy. That has bullet holes in it, huh? He got shot up, bro. Someone doesn't like him. It's the homie with the fast ass GTR. This thing makes over like 1200 horsepower, bro. You might remember from one of my vlogs, we raced him and I got smoked. My car is not slow, but racing him, dude, my car looked like a Prius, bro. There's a lot of GTRs. Got that light blue one, the dark blue one, the fast ass one, Kicks' Nismo. My GTR is way over there. Now all these guys are about to hop on the freeway and it's gonna be crazy. Sheesh, he has the whole engine out the hood. Oh my god, that shit sounds sick. Got an e-brake in there too. Drip. Yeah, there are so many sick cars here, guys. He's not even stepping on it. Imagine stepping on it. It'll be so loud. Look at that color. It's kind of like my E92. Sheesh. Bro, these cars aren't even gonna fit on this block. My God, SVJ, bro. Wow, dude. Look at that, guys. SVJ. I think it's so nice. And then a Huracan. Another Huracan. Bro, I gotta go look at these. Like a matte gray, matte silver. Look at all these Lambos. It's actually the same blue color as that Ferrari. Like the mint blue. God damn, bro. Sounds so sick. I think he's gonna break the lid. Look at him looking over it. He's so tall, he can just look over the rear. Bro, he's gonna hit his lip. He's not making it. Oh, he's making it. Barely, bro. Barely made it. Imagine this was your house with all these cars outside. Which one, Tan? Which one are you taking?
Take the SVJ.
I'll take the SVJ out of all of these, bro. I'm sorry. I want to know which one to drive. Probably take the Urus out. God, there's another one, dude. All black. Okay, now I really don't know which one I want. Fresh kicks?
How you feel about this, sir?
I'm about to trade him right now.
I think we need more YouTube subscribers to make a mile.
You guys like that color? Green? I'm not a big fan of green, but that shit does look pretty nice. Not gonna lie. Alright guys, we're heading out. This shit's about to be crazy. I feel like there's way too many cars, bro. Sheesh. Oh my God, bro. We're getting hit by so many rock chips. Trying to get everybody. No way, bro. I sure he's trying to pull everyone. What do we do? Bro, he's trying to stop the freeway and get everybody.
Oh no, go. Stop. Yeah, he's not.
I thought you were gonna stop the freeway and get all of us, bro. The fast ass GTR. Somebody got pulled over, bro. What was that, blue GTR or what? Oh, that sucks. You think he's getting impounded?
Gotta get somebody.
Bro, I think he's getting. That sucks, bro.
crazy ass cruise.
Imagine we got pulled over.
Got the thing right here in the beach.
That would have been all bad.
I pulled over to get some video of you guys, but you're so fucking.
Guys, look how sick these two cars look together. The Ferrari and the SBJ, both matching. Same color and everything. Damn, bro.
You ready?
Bro, I want this car so bad. I would literally take that car over anything here. Any car here. It's so sick. You hear that shit?
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.